Welcome to the dashboard. This platform is designed to give you a complete, real-time overview of the freight market, all in one place. First, load availability. This section displays a USA map showing current load distribution across states. When you hover over a state, you can instantly see inbound loads, outbound loads, and the total load quantity. States are color-coded by intensity. The stronger the color, the higher the load volume, making high-demand areas easy to spot at a glance. Next, load analytics. This interactive graph helps you analyze how freight rates change over time. Simply enter the origin city, destination city, time period, and equipment type. The chart then displays the average rate per mile, allowing you to track trends, compare periods, and plan more effectively. The weather map provides live, detailed weather insights using Ventusky. With this map, you can monitor conditions in any state in real time, including temperature, air pressure, wind speed and gusts, snow coverage, and more. It's a powerful tool for trip planning and avoiding weather-related delays. Industry news keeps you up to date with the latest developments in the freight and logistics industry. Here, you'll find fresh, relevant news designed to inform, educate, and keep professionals engaged with what's happening in the market. Trip information allows you to view and track your most recent trips. This section helps you monitor active or completed routes, giving you quick access to important trip details. Finally, the blog. The blog features helpful articles, market insights, tips, and industry-related content. From freight trends and best practices to operational advice and updates, it's a valuable resource for staying informed and improving performance. These 6 sections create a powerful dashboard that brings data, insights, and tools together, so you can stay informed, prepared, and ahead of the market.